Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be unboxing the GlossyBox for May 2020. If you don't know what GlossyBox is a makeup and beauty subscription for $21 a month, and you get 5 products, and it is a mix of deluxe and full-size product. They do offer free shipping across the US, and it costs $5 for shipping to Canada. If you signed up for the full year plan like I did, it actually works out to be around $16 to $17 a month, which isn't too bad. They are a company that is based in Germany, and they have locations in the UK, Sweden, France, and Norway, and many other different countries. The version that I will be unboxing today is the US version. This is what the box looked like when it arrives. I got variation number 5. The theme for this month is Wild Things. Their standard box is the color pink, but this month they have 2 different designs. You can either get the leopard design or the black and white zebra design. I received the leopard design, which is a pretty shiny gold and black pattern. This is a very pretty box, so I will be keeping it to store things. The content is wrapped very nicely with gold tissue paper and a black ribbon. As usual, they provide you with a brochure that tells you a little bit about the products and the retail value of each of the items. When I saw some of the items in this box, I got really excited. I will be setting 3 items aside in this month's box for a future giveaway. I am just waiting for the pandemic things to die down a bit before I do any giveaways. And if you're interested in entering, make sure you stay subscribed to my channel so that you would be notified if I do any giveaways. The first item I have here is an eyeshadow palette from Laurant. I considered this as a full travel size palette, which retails for $38. The palette has 9 gorgeous shades to achieve any look you desire. Go from light and airy to a deep and dark smoky eye. The creamy formula applies easily with minimal to no fallout. Laurant is a luxury makeup brand that uses only high and cruelty-free ingredients. This is a palette I will be giving away. It contains a nice variety of neutral shades that will help you create an everyday look. It also includes some metallic and darker shades for you to create a smoky eye look. The thing I like about the palette is that it is nicely compact, so it will fit in your purse when you're traveling. The only thing I don't like about the palette is that it doesn't have a mirror, so it's hard to do makeup on the go unless you bring an extra mirror with you. Since I will be giving this away, I won't be swatching it, but I will show you a better image of what the colors look like from their website. The brochure said that the palette is $38, but the website says $40, but I'm going to go with the brochure price just because in case the website is in a different currency. I wish they include some swatches on their site, but as you can see, they have a nice variety of matte and shimmer shade. This is the one that I received, and the other one with the zebra outer packaging is pretty much the exact same palette, but different packaging. These are highly pigmented shadows that applies evenly and feels ultra velvety and smooth. This long-wearing formula won't crease, and it will blend easily, allowing you to build up color for an intense, sexy look. Extremely lightweight and does not shift, so you can trust where you apply it is where it will stay. The second item that I will be giving away is the Eyeko Fat Liquid Eyeliner in the color black. I won't be opening this up, but I will show you what the tip looks like from their website. This was a variation item. You could have received the Eyeko I Do Eyeliner. This one has a slimmer body and a more precise tip, which gives you better control of your application. I was really hoping that I would get this one. Instead, I got the one with a fatter tip, but that's okay too as it is something different. As you can see from the Eyeko website, it allows you to create a nice thick wing if you are into that kind of look. So go wild with your eyeliner, which fits well with the theme of this month's box. Both eyeliner retails for $22. The one I have is formulated to be long-lasting with an intense black color and a smudge-proof finish. This foolproof liner will finish off eye makeup and stay put all day. The third item I will be giving away is this pretty liquid lipstick. This is a full-size lip cream and is a variation item, so you could have a different color in your box. The one I have here is a very pretty pink color, and it is a color that I will wear every day. It's just that right now I have way too many lipsticks to go through, and I'm also not going out, so the chance of me of using up my lipstick is very slim. It retails for $20, and the shade I have is in Antique Pink. The Kiss Proof Lip Cream are full coverage, high impact liquid lipstick that lasts for hours without the need to touch up. Their creamy formula goes on smoothly and dries to a beautiful matte finish in a snap. When I looked on their website, they say to exfoliate your lips first and then apply it directly onto your lips. But I actually prefer using a lip balm first and then going over with the lip cream. So that way my lips will stay hydrated all day. The next item I have here is the CPD face mask. Everyone should have received one of the 3 choices that were available. The first mask that you could have received would be the aloe vera face mask that would help with the soothing and tightening of your skin. You could have also received the charcoal face mask, which will help purify and brighten your skin. This would be the mask that I've wanted to receive. However, the one I got is the rose face mask that will tone and moisturize your skin. I'm pretty open-minded, and this is my first time trying a product with hemp in it. The mask retails for $6.99. The rose extract soothes your skin, reduces redness, and helps your skin look healthy and moisturized. The sodium hyaluronate promotes collagen production. This mask is water-based. The active ingredients in this product rapidly absorbs into your skin and penetrate deep into the underlying tissue. From the moment you apply this mask to your face, the active ingredients in this innovative CPD product will start working their way into your skin. To give the broad spectrum CBD oil and the other ingredients in this mask plenty of time to absorb, leave your mask on your skin for at least 10 minutes without interruption so that it can work its magic. Long after you remove your mask and dispose of it, all of the active ingredients in the CPD Tropical product will continue absorbing into your facial skin to provide their unique effects. This is actually one of the thinnest sheet masks that I've tried so far. I'm going to be totally honest, I don't think that I will ever try this mask again or even purchase it. I'm going to be honest, I usually don't mind face masks, but this is a face mask that I don't think I will ever try again or even purchase. The mask does have a scent that actually really bothers me. It's not that the mask doesn't work, it's just I didn't like the smell. The scent might not bother some people, but the mask isn't my favorite. I have other masks that I enjoy the smell of and will give me the exact same benefits. The last item I have in the box is the Pro Collagen Cleansing Balm from Elemis. This is a travel size product which retails for $14. This #1 best-selling cleansing balm deeply cleanses and leaves skin supremely soft. The powerful balm dissolves makeup, daily grim, and pollutants. The luxurious rose and mimosa wax are infused with nourishing elderberry, starflower, and Opti Mega oils. This was an item that I look forward to receiving. I love cleansing balm and I use it as part of my double cleansing routine every time I wear sunscreen or makeup. I'm currently using the Pharmacy Green Clean Cleansing Balm, but I will definitely give this one a try. On their website, it says that you can use this as a daily deep cleansing balm or a weekly nourishing face mask. I think I will be using this as a cleansing balm more than a face mask. It's just because I've actually been receiving a lot of face masks and I really need to start using them up. I actually did try this cleansing balm after I went jogging. Whenever I leave the house, I wear a lot of sunscreen, so I use this to help remove that sunscreen. So how you would use this is to warm it into the palms of your hand and then massage over the face and neck in light circular motion, avoiding the eyes. Moisten your fingertip and continue to massage. The instruction says to remove with a warm, damp cotton cleansing cloth. I usually jump in the shower right after I use a cleansing balm, so I'll be washing it away with warm water. After washing off the cleansing balm, I will go in with another cleanser to make sure that my skin is completely clean so that when I put on skincare, the active ingredients will work more effectively. For some reason, after the first time trying the cleansing balm, I didn't really like the scent. I like how it feels on my skin, but it's just the scent turns me away. But the second time when I used it, the scent didn't really bother me. Maybe I just need to use it a few more times to really enjoy the balm. I'm not sure how I feel about all the items in this box, but I'm gonna go over all the products anyways. The first item we have was the eyeshadow palette, which is worth $38. The liquid liner for $22, the lip cream for $20, and the face mask for $6.99. And then we have the cleansing balm for $14. So the total value of this box is $199. Again, I don't know how I feel about this box. I will be giving away 3 items and I've tried 2 items and I'm only okay with it. Let me know in the comments what you think about the May box, and if you're interested in signing up for GlossyBox, I will leave a link in the description box below for you to get your first box for 20% off. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.